Okay, so I'm sharing the screen. Now just tell me, is it okay? You all can see? Students, you all can see?
Ma'am, now also it is blur.
Now it
Ma'am,
will
yes,
get,
ma'am.
it will get okay within 2 minutes. Just wait. Because of network issues, it might be coming blur, but it will get fine. Okay. Now on your book from page number 32. On page number 32 from your book, I am going to do the practical here, in which I am telling you how you can create the relationship between two tables. See, in my navigation pane, students, I am having two tables. One is marks table and another is student record. This is my marks table. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the student record table. Fine. Now what I'm going to do is, you all are aware that how you can create a table, how you can insert the names, how you can insert the data in the table. Everybody is aware of this. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to create the relationship between these two tables. One is for the student record and another is for the marks. So in these two tables, I'm going to create the relationship. How I'm going to do it? Now listen to this very carefully. Now, in my ribbon panel where I am having all the tabs like home tab, create tab, external data, then database tools and fields and tables. I will click on database tools. All the groups are coming here, right? Now in the relationship tab, you will see in the relationship group, you have to click on relationships. On the relationships button, you will click on the relationship button. Now this show table dialog box has appeared. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm having two tables here. Tables are two, marks, student record, then queries and then both. Now what I'm going to do is, you have to add, like I have taken student record table. I have selected student record table. I will add it. Then I will take marks table, because why I am taking two tables? Because I wanted to create relationship, and relationship is only created between two tables. So I have taken the student record table and I have taken the marks table and I will add it. When I will click on add, my both the tables are added here. Can you see? My both the tables are added. One is student record and another is marks. Is it visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now what I'm going to do, now what we have to do, we have to activate the queries tab. In the show table, I'm having these queries tab and the tables tab. Now what I'm going to do is, I want to activate these tabs. I will activate both the tabs if the relationship are based on both the tables and queries. See, if my relationship is based on both the tables and the queries, I will click on both and both the tabs will get activated. And if the relationship is based only on query, then I will click on query and the relationship is created. So what I'm going to do, I will add both the tabs. I will click on both and then I will click on close button. Now in the close button, I have clicked on the close button. This dialog box has gone. Now in both the tables, I am having one primary key. Like in the roll number, I'm having the primary key. In the student record, I'm having primary key as a roll number, and another I'm having primary key as a roll number again. So in my both the tables, I do have a primary key. Now what I'm going to do, drag the primary key of the table, parent table. What is the parent table? Like student record. Because through this only we have got the marks of the students. So this is my parent record, parent table. Now I will click on the primary key of the parent table, that is the roll number, and I will drag it to another table on the primary key itself. Like I will click it on, and within pressing the mouse left button, I will drag it here. Now you all can see this dialog box has appeared. Now what I'm going to do, now we will edit the relationships. This is the edit relationship dialog box. Now click on the create button. Access creates the relationship between the tables and helps in joining two tables to form a large table. Now when I will click on create, it will give me a one table and it will give me complete large table. And I will click on create. Now see, it has joined the relationship. Can you see this black color line here? Students, can you all see? I'm marking
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
This line. This line which I have marked with red color. Can you all see this line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That means now relationship has been created. Okay. What we are going to do now? Now we have created a link. Now a line linking the two tables will appear. See, we have seen the line is linking the two tables has been appeared. Click on the save button on the quick access toolbar to save the relationship. Now what we are going to do, we will save the relationship. We will click on quick access toolbar. Where is my quick access toolbar? Here. Students, can you all see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. In my quick access toolbar, I will click on save or I will press the Control S from my keyboard. Now I have saved button. I have saved it. Now open the link table in the datasheet view. Now what I'm going to do, I'm opening the link table in the datasheet view. Now I'm opening it in datasheet view. This is my datasheet view and I will see that there is a symbol. Just wait. It is not coming here. Wait, just wait, just wait. Now students, can you see this plus sign here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the plus sign?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this plus sign indicates that the tables are linked. That means we have created the relationship and that these tables are linked. Okay, this plus sign is indicating us that the tables are there is a linking between both the tables. Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now what we are going to do next is we will create a query. Now Access provides two ways to create a query by using Query Wizard. Now we will open the Query Wizard. What we will going to do is creating a query in design view. It is on page number 33 from your book here. You can take out page number 33 from your book. And we will see how we can create a query. Okay. Is it understood to you all how I have linked both the tables?
Yes, ma'am.
How I have linked
Yes,
both the
ma'am.
tables? Is it understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine.